Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to continue with the policy issue. So like I said in the last video that when you have a policy issue like the one we had here, let's go to policy center. Now, one of the research I did, I discovered that you have to give it some time and also upload a new version of the app to the Play Store, even though that it was a web view and whatever was giving the issue was fixed from the back end. So now I have done, what do they call it? I've uploaded a new version on the Play Store, and a couple of days has passed since it was rejected. I think the last rejection, let's click on fix and see. The last request for review I did was on the 24th, and they said it was rejected. So, from the research I did, there were two things I was supposed to do before we request for review again. One of them was to upload a new version of the app to the Play Store. Then the second one was to wait for at least 10 days. So I have seen a couple of changes and all that. I've uploaded a new version to the Play Store. So I just want to request for review again, even though that it's not up to 10 days. Today is 24, 28, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. That's about 5 days from that time. So I intend to request for review again. If peradventure the request review did not proceed successfully, I will now do it again on the second. But for now, I feel that due to the changes that were sent to the Play Store, the update of the app, that there's a high chance that this time around it's going to go through. So let's go ahead and request for another review. So because this is the issue they had, and this issue is no more on the app, and a new version of the app has been uploaded. Okay, so let's go ahead and click request review. So Google save art on screen with replicated content. So we're going to say details. That cannot be found anywhere on the app again. And we have uploaded a new version of the app to the Play Store. Please kindly review this and lift the ad limit. Thanks. Okay. So we go ahead and click here, and then we go ahead and click submit request. So request review request successfully submitted for dollars and dollars. So now that has done, review requested on December 28th will notify you when review is completed. We've done that. Let's be hopeful and let's pray that the request goes through successfully and we get our ads back and running. Okay, so because of that, I've reduced the ads to 1,000 naira per day as opposed to 3,000 naira per day it was running, to enable us time to lift up the ads limit before I can now restore full ads again. So that will be all for now, guys, and let's see how it goes. When the positive result comes, I'm going to keep you guys posted. I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.